Right, this video we're going to add data to the like a central hub of health. Okay, so for example, if you like exit this, right, exit this, you got this health app. Click this, it should give you all sort of data. It's like a central hub of data, and right now you use simulator, you will have no data, and that's very inconvenient because we're going to actually use the data here and to actually then process the data, maybe visualize it and use it in our app. So but luckily we already got the permission to write data, so that's what we're going to do in this video. So the basic logic is something like this. So we already got this permission to write data, and we're going to use this healthKit manager to add simulated data, async, add all this information and append that to the mock example, and then add the asking for permission here. Not asking for permission, content view, yeah, sorry. Change that on up here to a specific task and a weight. So call this as simulation data, and then we'll automatically add it. Okay. Things it's like just a repetitive use of API. I'm not going to like go through this because it's a little bit boring. Okay, it's just let all sort of data, and let all this quantity sample, and then mock sample, append that. If you want the code, I share that all the code on my Patreon, so you're more than welcome to just join it. But I would like to quickly like browse through this, so you can pause this video to type it all yourself. It's a little bit boring, but I just want to show you how you can actually use this. Okay, so for example, I already got this app. Let's just get rid of here. Right now, I already got all this information, like show all health data. All the data that we write, like the active energy, like cardio fitness is a VO2 max, and the steps as well as weight, all have been written. And then you can like click here, you can see the active energy, and see the cardio VO2 max changes, and the steps change, and the weight change. Okay, so instead of like losing weight, you actually gain some weight. It doesn't really matter, it's just some random number. Okay, so in order for you guys to see like from beginning, you can do something like this. I believe you can erase all content and settings. You'll click this. You will just like set the simulator to the like a factory default setting, and once you've done that, then there is like no data, like clear out all this health data, and then you can run the code again, go to the content view. You will call this task, and call this healthKit manager to add simulated data, right? And of course there is like a permission. So so yeah, this have to be really careful about it. The first time you don't call this because you have to get the permission. If you okay, let me just show you. Okay, so first you have to re-grant the permission for the app. Okay, so just wait a bit, and the first time it will be like install the app and asking for permission. Okay, accept using your health data, right? So you can get the read and write permission, turn on all, allow this. Okay, bring it down, and yeah. Of course, there is still no data. If you go back here, go to the health, right, there should be no data. Show all health data, no data, right? So, of course, then you can actually add simulated data here. So run this again. You already got the permission to write data, right? So just need to wait, and dummy data generated successfully. That's because I call this here, try save. After save, we print this, so generate successfully. Go back here, go back. Of course, here you can't see the data because you haven't been able to fetch data, but you actually write the data and store that into a central hub of your house app. So you can go back here. You already got this data, right? And show all house data. This is just like a pin data, right? You can edit that. You can add more things like active energy, all that. Okay, but you can just click show all data, rather write like for data, and you can see some random generated data. So this time it's not going up, but also going down. So because it's a random generated, just some dummy data. Of course, once you like put this into production, you can use your own. Yeah. Yeah, that's just pretty much it. So yeah, see you next video. I think next video we're going to actually bring out all this data. Remember, we got some like dummy data for for jumps or something like that. Yeah, so that's what we are going to do at next video. We're going to get data and do some customization. Right? See you. Bye.